6 reasons why you need BOTRIV.com. Free Cloud Bochi. Free Cloud Bot. Your trading robot runs 24/7 on our cloud servers. No need to keep your computer or phone turned on. Just start the bot, close your browser, and let it trade for you automatically. Come back anytime to check your results. Virtual Luz. Virtual Luz. Practice your strategy risk-free with our unique Virtual Lose feature. Your bot trades on a demo account first and only switches to your real account after hitting a specified number of consecutive losses. This means your real balance is only exposed when the market conditions are in your favor. Multi-bot simultaneous. Multi-bot simultaneous. Run multiple trading robots at the same time. Whether you want to trade different markets, use different strategies, or diversify your risk, you can launch several bots simultaneously from a single dashboard. Each bot operates independently with its own settings and money management. 5 bot engines. 5 bot engines. Choose from 5 powerful engine types, each designed for a different trading style. No sequence for simple 1A time trades, sequence for automatic recovery after a loss, hedging to open opposing positions simultaneously, or Async for high-frequency trading without waiting. Every engine is built to match your risk tolerance and strategy preference. Auto notification. Auto notification. Get instantly notified the moment your bot stops trading. Whether it hits your target profit, stop loss, or you stopped it manually. You'll hear a real-time audio alert, receive an email summary, and can even share your trading results directly to WhatsApp or Telegram with one tap. You'll never miss a trading result again. Mobile friendly. Monitor and control your bots from anywhere, right from your phone. Our fully responsive design works perfectly on any screen size, so you can start, stop, and check your bots on the go. No app download needed. Just open your browser and you're ready to trade. How to Kanching's login. Visit BOTRIV.com. To use this app, you must have a new Deriv account. Legacy accounts cannot be used. To create a new Deriv account, you can create new Deriv account. If you already have a new Deriv account, please continue. Click the Login button. Then fill in your email and password to log in to Deriv. And congratulations, you have successfully logged into the Botrivcon dashboard. How to choose bot. Click the Robots button on the top navigation bar. You can request a robot by clicking this red button. You can choose a robot based on its engine type. You can also search for robots by typing the robot's name in the search field. Click the Details button to see the robot details. And click the Select button to select and start setting the robot. How to Setting Bot. First page, Robot Info page. Click Next. On the Setup page, you can select a market and determine the settings you need depending on the robot you're using. Click Next again on the RISK page. You can select and set the money management you need. On this page, you can also determine profit targets and stop losses according to your needs. To mitigate risk, you can also utilize the virtual loss feature and choose which account you want to use. For testing and practice, you can use a demo account first. For real trading, you can use a real account. Click Next, then you'll see the review page. On this page, you can double-check all your settings before starting the robot. Once you are sure of your settings, you can click the Start Robot button. How to monitoring bot? After you click the Start button, a new robot will appear on your dashboard. You can expand the robot by clicking the button on the left. At the top, you will see information on the number of active robots, the Collapse All button, the Expand All button, the Stop All button, and the Close All button. In the top right corner, there's a Stop button if you want to stop the robot manually. In the Parameters section, you can click the Expand button to see your complete settings. In the Summary section, you can see information on the total number of trades, the number of winning trades, the number of losing trades, and the total profit loss in real time. In the Live Log section, you can monitor everything the robot does. In the Contracts Table section, you can view the contracts executed by the robot, along with complete information on each row. Once the robot is finished, a notification will appear with information. You can download this notification as an image to share with your group or friends. You can also click the Result button to bring back the robot notification. Or you can click the Close button to close the robot from the dashboard. How to activate notification to email. Click the Setting button on the top right. Then, in the Notification Email section, enter your email address, then click the Save button. By activating this feature, you will receive an email notification when the robot is finished working.